Traffic jam? Roadblock. It's the gooses. The geeses. The geese go walking 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The geese go walking 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. Some people don't have patience. I do.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Good morning, RV Rebel watchers and YouTubers. It's not morning. Good afternoon. It's like 4 o'clock, almost 10 to 4. And it's gloomy, as you can see from the side view of my window. Yeah, it's very gloomy out. Rainy, gloomy, rainy. Yeah, so I'm on my way to run some errands again. You know, always something. It's always something. I'm still trying to get my license plate state to state transfer taken care of, and it's been really difficult. Anyway, I'm gonna head over to the post office, check my P.O. box just in case I got any good mail, and bills, right? And then I am going to go to Menards, because Menards sells these baby wipes that I really love the smell of them. They really smell really nice, and they're thin, but they smell really nice. They're hypoallergenic, and they have no alcohol. Okay, so I am leaving Menards, and I'm not rolling yet, and I'm putting my seatbelt on. Anyway, I'm leaving Menards, and I'm disappointed because I looked all over online, because I was gonna order like a case of these baby wipes online because I like the way they smell. They smell really good, like I was just saying. So, and I couldn't find them anywhere. They were showing that the only kind of baby wipes they had were like Huggies, and these clearly have no brand. I think the brand is Baby Wipes. And when I looked up the company at the .com, it was a tool place. I know, a tool manufacturing or something. So, and it's not the price that's, it's not about the price, even they are $1, but it's not about the price. It's about the fragrance that they give off. You know, it just kind of ticks me. Doesn't it tick you off, everybody? I mean, think about it, okay? Girls, guys, whoever, isn't it always seem that as soon as you find a bra you really, really like, they stop making it? I know. Like, I used to have a favorite bra at Victoria's Secrets, and then what do? They stop making it. You know, just as it's like, it kind of ticks me off, you know? I mean, I have my favorite underwear from, I mean, this is a little TMI, but my favorite underwear from Victoria's Secrets, and I've had them probably for 20 years, because what I do, because they stopped making them, is I hand wash, or I wash on a gentle cycle, and I don't put them in the dryer. I hang them all up. So you'll see, you know, you would see all my underwear hanging on those, you know, pants hangers. I know. Okay, guys, now you know. You want to see my granny panties? Kidding, my granny panties. I said they're 20 years old. I wasn't a granny back then, so. Well, I stopped at the post office to pick up my mail. It's a very gloomy day here in Illinois, in the suburbs of Chicago area. And Yesterday I went to go visit my brother, and I had to dump my tanks, so I took my whole rig with me. And now I'm at the post office. So now I'm at the post office opening my mail. I got a really nice card from one of my viewers, and Twin Sparrow. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And I appreciate you being my friend and watching my videos. Thank you, Twin Sparrow. I also received a package today from Hero Soap, because I use Hero Soap and show badges commercials about Hero Soap. So I received my Hero Soap today that I purchased. Yeah, it says, I am the one who cleans. Cute. And so what I got was, I'm trying out the liquid soap with the pump. I like that better than a bar soap. The bar soaps, I really like them and they smell great, but this one's lime. And I like having a pump better because even though the packages that they come in are resealable to store your bar soap in, I think the pump's going to be great for me, especially now that I have my shower back and I don't have a soap holder in there. Not that I need one, because I've got like 3 different kind of flavors. No, three different scents of the Hero soap. So yeah, but anyway, I did that, and so I got this, and I'm excited. Can't wait to use it. Although I'm not using my shower right now because I'm still working on everything. And hopefully I'll be able to give you a bigger picture, or fit a pretty much finished product picture down the road here shortly. And then I'm gonna plan on getting on the road here for a short trip. Trying to stay around the Midwest area because I have a lot of family things coming up, and I want to be able to come back, for that. I do have the RV parks here, even the Thousand Trails parks don't open up until, most of them, some of them May 1st, some of them April 15th, and some parks open up April 15th at campgrounds that are not Thousand Trails. Or there is one that opens April 19th in Belvedere, Illinois, and I went ahead and booked for that. So I'm going to stay one day in Belvedere, and then the next day they don't have an opening, but then the day after they have an opening. So I'm going to do that. For one day, I'll either come back, it's like an hour away from my son's, so maybe I'll come back down here in the area of my son's place, and then go back up there and spend the night again, and then head out. I might as well go to one of the Thousand Trails where, I have up to 14 days on the regular Thousand Trails parks, and I can just keep putting them together 2-3 days at a time. It's not a big deal. Before I would have to be out of a park for 7 days. So I'm not worried about that. And then I'm going to take a trip down to Kentucky. Yeah. I'm going to go to Kentucky. I'm going to check out a state park in Indiana that it's not free, but it's like $13 a day, which is still really pretty good. And they do have a dump there and water, and then they have Volt toilets. But because I have my own shower, I don't have to worry about the showers, and I'll be good to go. They don't have electric hookup, but I have my solar and I have my generator, so I should be just fine. I have one more strip of reflectix to put up on the ceiling, and then that'll be it for now for the ceiling, and I may finish the ceiling out later on. I do have 2 pieces of board the support boards that I want to paint or stain. I do have the stain for it, so I may do that. I might just do that today. I think I can leave if it doesn't start raining again, So anyway, there's this side view. I need to move my camera so I can see the side over here where I go in. Talk to you when I have something more. Well, I am at the Walmart in Naperville, Illinois, and I got the dreaded knock on the door, believe it or not. The fine officers have left, but they were looking for a shoplifter. And they were really nice, very nice to me. And they weren't here because they wanted me to leave. They were here because they were looking to make sure the shoplifter didn't run into my camper. They thought maybe someone said that the person ran towards my camper. And so they thought the shoplifter was here. So this is my view from my camper at Walmart. And there's a track out there and everybody walks around it. It's a big forest preserve there. But I got a nice little pond and a bunch of ducks. I'm parked in the rear of Walmart in a little like turnabout. It's a large area, so I'm not interfering with the trucks, and I got a great view.
Oh, come on, Mom. Give me a little privacy, will ya? Ha ha ha. So, wow. RVRebel Girl, my mom, is in the Planet Fitness. I'm going to show you around at our van, and you can see what she's done inside so far, and my little cubby. I know she showed it to you once, but I'll show it to you again. Watch. Stay tuned. If I can't bring you to my house, I'll bring my house to you. So while she's working out and getting a shower, I get to wait in my new cubby for her. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.